Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil and adjust the chain on a Honda Trail 125. First step, removing the 14 millimeter at the bottom. This particular bike does not use an oil filter, which was a surprise to me when I bought it. Instead of pushing oil through a paper element, this particular trail uses gravity and rotational force. The oil spinner is a heavy component attached to the engine's crankshaft. Removing this 14 millimeter bolt is easy and it's all you need for this oil change. Remember, it uses a crush washer. We're going to have to replace that or make sure that your existing crush washer is good enough to reuse. It's fascinating that Honda did this. A paper element can clog if neglected, blocking oil flow completely. A oil filter system like the spinner, it never completely blocks oil, meaning that the engine will keep getting lubricated even if a user severely neglects their maintenance. After letting the oil completely drain, you'll put the bolt back up and torque it to spec. You don't have to change or even clean the mesh at 5,000 miles like my bike. But when it gets to 12,000, you should probably look at that crankcase mesh and clean it. After you tighten the bolt, just add your favorite oil. I'm using 10 weight 30 and I'm checking here the dipstick. For the dipstick, you just insert it and then you measure it. You don't have to reinsert it in the threads. My chain is a little loose on the trail, so I am going to just tighten it up a little bit. You're going to have to loosen this, and this is a 19 millimeter. Might have to use an extension, but it's actually moving. This is what we're going to be adjusting, this little mechanism here. So you need 2 wrenches, open socket wrenches. The 12, you actually use it on the big one. And then the 10, you use it to loosen the 10. And we're actually going to be tightening the 12 here. So the important part is that you have the marks absolutely the same on the left and on the right. On the chain, as you're tightening, your chain, of course, is going to get tight. The further it gets pushed back, the more it gets tight. So right now, it's a little bit too loose. It's actually pretty decent. I'm just going to give it one more turn on the swing arm. It needs to be a little bit tighter here. So you just have to line it up perfectly. A little bit too tight. So the reason is this is a little tight. And that is like when you sit on it, the bike actually gets even tighter. So you don't want to go overboard. Just loosen it up. That's actually pretty decent. Take your large one. I'll put it like this so you can see. And then the 10 millimeter, you tighten that, and then you just tighten the 10 millimeter. You don't touch the 12 because you're 19 millimeter, and torque this to spec. Make sure that this is nice and tight. And it is time now to put the bike on the ground and take her for a spin. New oil change and the tightened chain should make a big difference. The oil change, and it feels pretty good to know that the bike has plenty of life left. 5,000 miles, I have no idea when the oil was changed on this thing. So, let me see. It's got 5,700 miles. And it should be good for another 4,000 miles. I change it pretty quickly on these smaller engines. I like 2,000, 3,000 miles because it feels like it's 10,000 miles. But super easy bike to do. Just one bolt drains the oil. You don't have to worry about the strainer, at least for a while. And that's it. The bike rides fine.
The chain is tight. Everything on it is good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.